Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, I just created this address payment for order part of my online shopping project. If you are not seen that video, just go to description and check out the link. In this video, we are going to write the code for this bill.jsp part. So let's start. Let me move to the IDE, and in this we already have a bill.jsp page. Here you can see bill.jsp page. So we will start with this. Okay. So first two lines should be the same, and footer should be also paste we need here. So just go to the footer. Sorry, just close this and just write hash at the rate include file is equals to, okay, here we just need to write footer .jsp. okay, after that save this. Now let's refresh this. You can see the at the bottom of, you can see a footer. Okay, now again move here. Now after that we have to display the details one by one for name, mobile number, email, order date, and all these details one by one. So just start here, just move to the line number this 10, and here we just need to write the code. So first thing is we just need to retrieve email address from session. So email dot session dot get attribute, and this one. After that email dot to string. Okay, after that here we just need to use try and catch block. After that int total is equals to 0. After that int sn is 0. Okay, after that we have to create the connection con equals to connection provider dot get con statement. Okay, should be a statement. Okay, the mint is st equals to con dot create statement, and in this we just need to use result set to calculate the total again here. Okay, we are not using here subtotal. Okay, we don't. So here this total we need to display, that's why we are using this. So here result set and rs equals to st dot execute query, and here we just need to write select sum total from cart where email is equals to single, okay, double plus plus, and here we just need to write email. Okay, and status is equals to, here we just set to the bill. In the previous video we just set status to bill. Okay, that's why here we are using that. After that while rs dot next. Okay, after that we have to start and close the bracket, and here we just need to write total is equals to rs dot get int. Okay, and in this we just need to write 1, and after that just close this column. Okay, after that we just need here a second result set to display these details. So just using result set again, result set rs1, just take it as 2 for now. Okay, st.execute query, and here we just need to write select star from users inner join cart. Okay, that should be a space, there should be a space, join cart where cart dot email is equals to single, okay, single double plus plus email. Okay, and after that we have to and cart dot status is equals to in single bill. Okay, and at the end we also need to insert the semicolon. Okay, here you can see the query, complete query. Select a start from user inner join cart, where cart.email is this and cart.status is equals to email. Okay, and after that we have to write while. Okay, just move it a little bit right. While rs dot next. Okay, next, and we have to start the bracket, and we just need to delete this so that we can display all the details here. So here we have to write this equals to rs dot get string, and here we just need to write the column 1. So we are going to copy this one by one. We are getting the at the first we are getting the name. After that we are getting email. Okay, email should be, we already have email, so I'm just going to directly use it, out dot print ln, and here we just need to write email. So let's check it out. Okay, we are getting error because we did not close that, so we have to write all, then we have to just check it. Okay, this should be the column 20. Okay, after that for delivery date, just copy this line, and that should be the column 21. Okay, after payment method should be 23. As I already checked this all things, so I'm just writing directly. Okay, after that when you just run this query, then you will get this in the sequence according to that. Okay, after 23 the next is expected delivery, it should be 22, and after that we having transaction ID, so it should be at 24 position. Okay, after that the next is for the city, so after city we have to display the 17. Okay, for address we should be displaying at the 16, and after address next is state, so for the state we are going for the 18. Okay, 18, and for the country we have a 19. Okay, so just follow this sequence. After one more thing, we just need to, like, when we execute this query, then there is a multiple record, so we have to just run this one time because we just want to display. So we also need to close the loop, like break the loop, sorry. So for that we have to just write break, say break semicolon and close the bracket. Okay, after that we are able to see the record there. So just close this bracket at the end of this so that we can see this is working fine or not. So just close this, and after that catch, and here we just need to write exception e. Okay, still we are getting error, just delete one bracket from here. You can see error get removed, just refresh this page. Okay, I think we are getting some error, so let's check it out. Okay, let me move a little bit up. Here we did a big mistake because we are using result set 2, so we are also need to change it at 2 2 2 2. We have to change it everywhere. That's it look like that's why we are getting the issue. Okay, just write 2 here, and at last let's save this and let's refresh this page again. Still we are getting error. Let's write here system dot out dot print ln, and here we just need to write e. After that I just refresh this page, and it automatically all the details is visible. And after that you can see the Gaurav Kumar name, mobile number you can see. After that you can see the email address. Here you can see the order date here. After that you can see the expected delivery, and here you can see payment method, and we don't have any transaction ID, so that's null. After that you can see the address AXY hostel. After that you can see the city, state, and country. Now we have to display all the products, and we have to display the total here. So let us start with that. Let's minimize this, and again we have to move a little bit up, and we have to move around here, this place, and here we just need to write the code. So start with that, and here we just need to use result set rs equals to st rs1 we are using here, st.execute query, and in this we just need to write select star, okay, select star from cart inner join product where cart dot uh, product ID is equals to the product dot ID, and cart dot email is equals to single double, okay, double plus email, okay. And at the end we also need to put the semicolon, and before that one thing we also need to write here, cart dot status is equals to, in single we just need to write bill. Okay, let me show you the complete this. Select star from cart inner join product where cart dot product ID equals to product dot ID, and cart dot email is equals to email, and cart dot status is equals to bill. Okay, after that we have to write here while rs1 dot next. Okay, after that we have to also increase the serial number. So SNO, sorry, a serial number is equals plus 1 by 1. After that we have to first display the serial number, so just need to write out dot print ln, and here we just need to write SNO serial number, and here we just need to use to display related to product. So sn1 dot get string, and here we just need to write 17. Okay, just copy this line and paste it here, and after that we have to place it here and here, and we will going to change it one by one. So next is for 18. Okay, 18, and after that we have to write 19. After that we have to write 3, and at last we have to write 5. Okay, after that we also need to close this, so just write this and bracket here. After that we need to display the total values, so here we just need to write out.print ln, and here we just need to write total and put semicolon. Okay, after that we already have a catch exception. After that here you can see continue shopping.jsp page, but till now I don't think we have this page, so let's check it out. We don't have this page, so we need to create and write the code in this. Okay, just create the JSP page, and we have to write continue new shopping dot okay, and you can see there is a no error. It means that we don't have this page, so just click on this finish, and page has been created successfully. Now we have to write the code here to like be at like a status right now. Let's select the cart. Here you can see this is the status for the bill. Now we will make it as processing. Like this is bill, that's why we are able to see in the bill section, otherwise it will, and we have to continue with shopping, so we will set the value status to the okay, one more thing, we just need to refresh this and let's check it out. Here you can see all the details of that. Here you can see the total price is this, and you can see all the product details here. After that when we click on this continue shopping, then the bill status should be changed to the processing. So let's write the code for that. So first two lines should be the same, so just copy this two imports and just paste it here. After that we just need to write the code like we have to take the values string email equals to session dot get attribute, and here we just need to write email dot to string. Okay, after that we are taking a string status is equals to in double processing. Okay, and after that we have to write try catch block again. We have to update all the product, and we have to send the response to other page. So here we just need to write exception E, and here we just need to write connection con equals to connection provider class, and this one dot get con. Okay, after that we have to create the prepared statement. PS is equals to con dot prepared statement, and in this we just need to write update cart set status is equals to question mark, and where email is equals to question mark, and status is equals to, in single it should be bill. Okay, after that we also need to write semicolon at the end. After that we have to insert value, set value, so set a string and 1, and here we just need to write status, and after that ps dot set string, and here we just need to write 2, and here we just need to write email address. Okay, after that we just need to write here ps dot execute update. Okay, this one, and after that we have to send the response dot send redirect, this one, to home.jsp page. Okay, and here we just need to system dot out dot print ln, and we just need to display an error in console, and let's refresh this page. Okay, and let's we also need to change the print part, so I think it should be working fine because we already write the code for this. Okay, so here we are getting the options to save as a PDF, and we can also change send the OneNote and all. Here you can see all this. Okay, and let's cancel this, and let's refresh this page again, and let's click on continue shopping. Okay, you can see that page is we are get redirect to our home page, so it means that the status should be changed to bill to our, let's select to processing. Here you can see the status get changes. So now let's check once again that in our cart the value is visible or not. Here you can see there's a no products. So this is all about bill part of my online shopping project. I hope you guys like this video, so please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.